Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Born to shine. Talent search and after party. Yeah, man. We go there. Shine. When come out, now the 20,000. Glory be to the Most High. Give thanks to life. Money down to the ground. With the right on the roadside. JAMMIWOOD, you know what I mean? So if for the first time watch a channel here, please do subscribe, you know what I mean? Different from that, this is part 5 of Babymother drama, right? And yes, so the drama ends. Check it out. And so I go on.
Another Babymother drama. Just another Babymother drama. Just another Babymother drama. Just another Babymother drama. Just another Babymother. Just another Babymother drama. And if you don't put a line there, your Babymother's gonna do what you wanna. Just another Babymother drama. Just another Babymother drama. Just another Babymother drama. And if you don't put a line right there, Babymother's gonna do what them wanna. Worse when them they higher than them new man now, give them ripe banana. Just another Babymother drama. Just another Babymother drama. Look where I gone, yeah. Look where I gone, yeah. Drop asleep and wake up with my Babymother in a me pyjama. Said she want keep me warm. My new girl was somewhere doing her own business. And my Babymother find a key. I know she want me up in her business.
Cause how that sound like a problem me want cause. So why you ask so much time which part they in there?
No man, me no want cause no problem.
Cause anyways, there a Negril beach club there in there.
By the hooker, by the crook, me they go over there. Coulda fly higher, straight over there.
Alright, well, them have the front, them have forget the fiancé.
Alright, go and get it, I'm hungry. I'm not stay long.
And do not squeeze up the baby.
No,
Look for your left side. Look for your left side. Maybe read up on it. Look for your left side.
So what about my left side? You see, you don't see a terrible.
Girl,
What?
why are you doing? Listen, you see me not really in the drama, I get it now. But it's because I'm always over here. I'm not getting a lie, I'm always over here. My baby daddy always over here.
What about my $20,000 you buy and you back my money?
So this one me gonna do can't cover that. This is a big deal now.
Look at that, doctor. Because this is a time of life imprisonment, him again. Come. Come.
Call the ambulance.
Go. Hey, girl. Why one girl love man, sir?
Dirty food police boy.
What wrong with you? Me know you. Suppose I never me and him there. You're gonna go sell again.
Thank God that there's a policeman.
Then come to think about it, not even know say my police.
Hello.
Then if you stop still cause.
But by the way, you're the man, I don't know what kind of work you do.
When we come in later, me do the cooking. Alright?
Kala me wait on the boy, man.
Go on, babes.
Look how long me I wait for you.
You don't know a thing, man. I come from just know the whole of fish and one.
But anyways,
But what me want to ask you still, like you know, say me a police. You don't like me less, or you don't love me less. Same still, it's not what I love you.
listen. Yeah, do a regular job and do earn an honest living. Why me I go dislike you more?
Anyways, every time God say I'm media what they do, they put me living here. I'll do your friend,
My cousin.
your cousin. Because, but you see, if you do it again, and I'm going to go for you, me might not be and do it to them day there. But if somebody else will catch him and him do the same thing, she'll get back. And if me go and my supervisor did it, me have to let that carry up. Understand?
Me no know what the hell do me cousin. Funny how next girl is my best friend. Me no know what happened between the space and line, but my cousin need to shake up her folly grounds them, man. She need to shake up. What me glad that you did it the other day, because I don't know what mother do.
Well, as me I say, not because me not a force or not because this or not because that. That the same means say, oh, if your friend is in a problem, you have to tell me so I try to get them out because I'm not right that we can get started. So just make sure I should not do it again because me not always depend on duty. And it gonna look like say it's a thing where me I wait for him to get in a trouble if he did it to save him. No, I'm not Superman. You understand?
I understand what you're saying. Right now, if you get in a trouble again, adjust that, cause as you say, you're no Superman. And I know she is supposed to save me. I mean, I get myself in a trouble if they get saving. And because it's stubborn. When I say she's stubborn, she's stubborn. So anything happen after this, if I turn Carmen, me go give them a prison cell, I turn Carmen, she go and get. Because she's stubborn.
Well, then say who can hear? She can't hear, she go feel and she go face the consequence that there is. So as me I say, just tell her I say, I make it happen again. I not always depend on duty, right? So, where you go?
I don't know if I need to do this one.
Alright, you say you go and go down, you go down here, so go. Link one up in me, for you to do, you go back and play for work.
Alright.
You want to do that?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yeah, babe, come, make me soon forward, man. What? Me soon forward. I mean, I cook this even for you, man. Don't worry yourself, man. I'll roll up some flour and something later. Cook you some veggie chunks and something, man. And baked beans. You know, so you love that. That's your favorite. Yeah, man, love it too, man. Nothing, no, I think, boy, man, I just work me there, you know. So I have something come pick up on the road and I'll go back down and go finish up something then now forward. Let me I cook tonight, man. Alright, so just build, be soon forward. Yeah, man. Alright.
Tia! God, I see if you do a girl and see me, I call you. What the hell?
Nothing.
I saw you look so.
How me look so? How you think me look so?
I don't understand that.
How me look? How me
I
look?
can't stress, brother.
I have no stress. You know I'm pregnant, right? Yeah, so how pregnant woman I look away sometimes I'm tired. But anyways, from when I want to attack you about, me not see you fi really have a conversation with you.
Oh.
You see me and your friend, right? Me and your friend. That's how you tell me, you know. So me and your friend. Me take you as my bona fide friend. And you really switch for me?
What you talk about now? What you talk about?
What you mean by what me I talk about?
Come on, I know what you talk about here.
Mama, the other day, right? Me tell her say me and my man at a hotel for one little vacation. And you run go tell your cousin. Me understand say your cousin, you know. You tell your cousin wish for me there. For the girl come at the hotel, come beat me up. Kick me in my belly, me have to spend, my man have to spend how much doctor bill. You understand what I say? Nearly must me lose my baby and me take you as my friend. And you did really have to go tell her that?
Honestly, you know, say upon me phone me there. Me don't know if I over here me I talk to my girl and me don't know, but me don't go to her with the man. Upon me phone me there talk. Me want me would do that. Me don't go to me cousin man. Upon me phone me there. I talk to my girl that when me and her go to school together. Me I tell her how y'all live happy and no one sitting. Me never go to me cousin man.
For some reason, me don't believe you. Me don't believe you. Where you come? Where you want?
So, yeah, my friend and me say me I come check you. Cause a long time me no come over here.
My friend, I say me I come check you and come over here. Right now, me not even want a friendship from you, no, mama. Me I tell her brawling, you know. You understand what I say? Because me can't get over the fact, say, your cousin trail me and me man. Listen.
Me never tell me cousin nothing.
Listen what me I tell you now.
You're my friend like her.
Oh man, tell you what happened, man. And my girl there, when me and her go to school together, that asked me for you. Because me and her dep on a call. I know say I eavesdrop me because he just for my conversation. Though, come on, me know you and her no good. So I would never go to her and tell her that I know your condition, brother.
Alright, whatever you say. Whatever you say, me believe you. Because you claim to say me and your friend. But me I tell her, say, my brain, me did lock you out of my brain, you know. Say me and your friend, you know. But since you say no, you tell her, me believe you.
So, oh baby and thing, everything alright and now do.
Hey baby, alright and everything, you know. And that's why me do ultrasound, blood test and everything. Nothing to do the baby. Baby alright. Baby now a safe place. I want to stay that way.
Glad to hear that still, boy. I don't know what do my cousin, but me just go and check on you still. Me I run go walk up a yard there. You understand? So me see you. Right?
Alright. Should we come in with this or something?
Yes, but yeah. You know what I mean? So you don't want to see the girl look. Damn, mash done. She still have the baby. Girl, by the hook or the crook, you must get back here, man. You hear what your cousin say? Anything me have to do in my powers for you get back here, man. You have to get back here, man, cousin. Wait till she have a baby, man. So, because anything at all that is happening, you get back that the man there, you're going to get back your baby father. You're going to get him back. You're a butterfoot girl. No big barrel shape girl, you come take your baby father and get back. Yeah, she pop down me, I tell you. Mash down, but them a live happy life doing a girl. Happy life, them a live massa. But yes. Over them here come from. Yes, massa. Pop down here, tell a good girl. Pop down. Yes, massa. Yeah, man. yeah, man. I know some of the members of me walk with the girl. I don't remember say I walk with the girl.
Let me answer one last question. Me and your friend?
Yes! I am a good friend.
Me and your friend? Girl, say.
What is for?
You see me name did I breed? You see me name did I breed?
Oh, what is for?
Come out of me yard. Come out of me yard, me say. I see on the phone and now get it back.
You soon don't need a floor then, babe. I get something to eat. I know you pick up fighting point, they're gonna lick down, girl. Everything people are saying about you must lick them, you know. So no, the fight, I don't want you to turn like my baby mother, you know. So you come out and tell the come lick you. If you turn off for the fighting, you listen but you don't answer. Or you talk. So can talk to you there. All the thing go on the road to them. So don't talk to you. Oh, nobody come bar the pot, them body bar the pot, nobody not care about the pot. Come big old pot of I cook 3 flour in it.
B.
Yeah?
Me over my cousin. My phone. You see him girl when my cousin dey in a war with him?
Yeah.
I'm a friend, but me go over there and she say I meet her. My cousin say she and her man must have gone out and something. And she attacked me and my phone drop over them. I don't know if you can go for it for me.
So what number this company?
I'm my cousin phone.
Which cousin that?
Marika, you see him one way you need
Oh.
to couple.
Oh. Alright, I'll go over there go see what I can do and see if I can get it back.
Yeah, come on, my phone.
Alright.
Yeah.
Who that? So officer, we are lucky door for. Not my problem, no.
Alright, me get to understand say one incident take place. Look a bit after the up. Look a bit before the up on that one. My girlfriend did over here. Understand? I'm not supposed to friend, you know what I mean? But me and say a little thing go down, me and I war, in a fight, you take me on the phone, so you just come for each other phone.
So she a coward now, she a send boyfriend / police come on me yard for phone.
I don't know, man.
You know, so me never cut her. Me did have a right to analyze her. Yes. Me have all right. You know why? She in a me yard. She trespass in a me yard and come provoke me. And she first lick me now. She not tell her.
She look up.
She first lick me. I'm pregnant.
Well, you never want to know pregnant, so you just come for the cheese before. So, anyway, can I please have it?
You're so unprofessional.
It's not about
You are
unprofessional.
unprofessional.
Listen.
What are you eating?
I am not on duty. Understand?
You're not on duty. You have.
I'm leaving work and I got the car, so I just run right here to pick up my girlfriend.
When me not give her a phone?
Mama, I will lock you up, you know?
You're not on duty, so you can't lock me up. Me know the rights.
Listen to me. Me will lock you up. You hear me, I tell her? Because little bit far now from me go in. All the down. Me know say them will come back at the station. So you take it. On duty and not on duty. Me still can't lock your phone. You want to go back at the station? Alright, no problem.
I'm not afraid if I go back at the station.
Give me the phone.
So I'm not away.
So give me the phone. Put the phone there.
And somehow, I'm tapping the exam now. Before me have my rights now, I have to lose it.
Anything you say you can use against the code.
I'm not arrest me.
So listen to me. That's how I can know. Say
phone here. Come out of my house. Come out of my house.
Have a nice night.
To do what?
Yeah, what go and call? Yeah, man. I lock up your house, you know, and think I could wait for you if you come, so I'm going home. Yeah, but we have a solution, man, for your baby father business. Cause obviously the pitney you want. So why not just get rid of the pitney? And once you get rid of the pitney, you get rid of she and then we come back to you. Yeah. Yes. That way have you go do. But you can't do it, you know. You can't do it cause you beat her go, you beat her come. And no matter how much you beat that the woman there, come like that the pitney plant in her womb fit on. Yes. Here woman, remember she named Mummy. Full friend Mummy from back then. Real bad girl. Understand. The work is very dangerous. Do we crime? Yes. What me I go do? Me I go me will send your Mummy number and you call Mummy and talk to Mummy. Yeah man, and Mummy we do it dirt. Yeah. And want to do that man she out type picture for the youth man. Type pitney man want. And you had done original baby mother already. You understand? So once you get rid of pitney, you get rid of she. Yeah man. So when you send your Mummy number, you know when you call Mummy. Please. Alright.
I can't call me for now. Hello, good morning. We want to know, Marika. Cause you don't call my phone, you know. What on? Yo man, me can't do that man.
You send your money and so we have to do it for now.
You say want her to lose the baby. But what if she dead? Alright, I'm match up that. Marika, listen to me. If she dead and me go to prison, you know, remember say me I come back for you, Marika. And make sure say me get my money too. Alright, I'll deal with it for you. Bye.
whole day today. A woman there really and truly she want to look her help her on the yard, babe. You must say pregnant, don't lift up that man. No, no lift me up still, man. Anything you want to lift up the car, man. Alright? If you want to make some, cook some food, if a pound of flour, your car will lift up it here. I lift up nothing. How you feel for a morning?
I don't feel so hungry, but I'm trying.
Yeah, because you don't want to put me lazy, you know. You're trying something though. Alright? So when you're done, you know, me call him.
So we have a know.
Then come for her. I'm going to finish up. So I'm not turn all day though. Let's go out there, deal there and come back.
I think you did say you'll stay with me today.
And that my plan for do. Because I have time to water baby head because head must get turned down. I know, you don't feel like it turned down. Last time ball like the baby they are turned. You know, never turn they are turned.
You know what that but I never feel good.
Whatever, me I come back early today. Come and just me pamper and make you feel good. Alright? So just you look really keen because I'm not come out lazy because I follow you, you're lazy. Alright, soon come.
Alright, later.
Love you.
Love you too.
You can't miss your still there. You know, say really and truly I'm a good man. I go make them size wearing for your finger because we go on the one night time and see your finger then too big. But I go make them build one specific for you. I go marry the one night time. One night time I go marry to you. You hear me?
If you ever do it, you just do it. So nobody talk about it.
You see no like surprises. Alright. Two come here.
But I don't know so me have to do mine. You take my friend money. You take my friend money. You take my friend money. You take my friend man, girl. You take my friend man. You take my friend man.
What are you? Oh God. Where be my father there? Get up, come. Come on. Lord have mercy, I hear this, I shot me and go in, come. Hush, what do you belly?
Oh, the king in our belly.
You don't know fool, me can't call a baby father. Get up. Come. Lord have mercy. Oh God. Hush. Call a baby father, man. How's man kicking your belly so? Where do them? Oh, no drop. They walk off fire.
Just another baby mother. Just another baby mother drama. And if you don't put a line there, you do what you wanna. Just another baby mother drama. Just another baby mother drama. Just another baby mother drama. And And if you don't put a line right there, baby mother's gonna do what them wanna.
Oh, Jesus.
Yeah, Rainbow.
Oh, God, man. Jesus.
The woman dropped down and I was somebody kick her in her belly over the yard.
When?
No, when Mr. Me a part of me here. Hurry up, run! Run!
Jama, jama. Just another baby mother drama. Just another baby mother drama. Just another baby mother drama. Just another baby mother. Just another baby mother drama.
See how come, man. See how come. What go on?
Morning.
Morning, officer.
How long you take with the camera?
I try to do up the car, man. You see, car get a bad lick. When I know what you do, I do make you swing it go so. I make you lick off all the side. So I will me I put pan here now to push it down the garage just so. And start. Cut off right and start. Fix up right. Because the youth saying go carry the front 10. And front 10, you put pan. So you get it.
The bonnet.
The bonnet good, man. Must straighten it out. When we done
you
the
guys
brand
straighten?
new, yeah, man, we go straighten it. We put it on the presser, smooth it out. Pop, slap on some filler pan it. You cut it down. You're not gonna know say the same old one.
True, how long you take with the mini?
You what? I tell you what I go on. From what day I stress out smartly, you know.
I don't know.
Because I'm some youth. The baby dead, you know. The baby dead in a woman's belly.
Well.
Because I'm a baby mother. I don't know what now do with the case because I think that would solve everything.
This year now. I've been knowing I hear about you and everything. But I can't really go lock up Marika because I hear so she say Marika never do it. Marika send somebody go do it. So
you know sense somebody go do it?
I person.
No, listen. You know sense somebody go do it?
Listen to me. And what she say now, and what your baby mother say. Your baby mother say, I know Marika. And when a Marika friend come, and that she say. So I can't go lock up Marika because a Marika friend come. My friend me have to lock up. Yeah, and I tell you if you understand, me don't have no strong proof, no strong evidence against Marika. If you say me just to go lock her up. So.
Anyway, make it done.
But you need to do a try get evidence and proof.
I want to know a full. My record of 50 car, you know. Your record of self-crime. And
Well,
there's a crime committed.
Crime they all around your baby mother cause why I think this would have done by now, but this look like it now end.
Alright, anyway, me there I go and work on it.
Yeah, I can't really go and check for it.
Alright, me I deal with the man. One push it down so, by the next week you get it. Say, you know say your cousin make a girl lose her baby. And we don't know who do it. Are you she send go do it? Make sure that you she send go do it because we can't find no proof. We don't know who do it. And I know she do it and somebody do it.
Yeah man, good man, I just around I tell you baby father I'm gonna check for the car business shit my deal with for me. But he might tell me about Tia again and Marika business. Say Marika, remember say Marika saying somebody go beat up Tia. Make she lose the baby, you know. So you have no new lead now.
No, so I actually have to
Right, Marika needs to get locked up in a whole heap. Marika do, you know.
That's the same old story, same old news and that.
If you get back, same old news, me not get nothing new. Because my friend Marika did go do it herself. Yeah, me catch her this up.
So who don't know our friend?
No, son. No, son, but if our friend to get locked up still, you know, my friend beat her, make she lose it. Understand?
Yeah, we need more like friend them telling me one.
Know yourself, man. Me go catch her. Oh, yourself. So yeah, dear yourself.
Babe, I know still, I know say I cry from one day and thing it happened bad and it's sad to say boy my baby mother you say no she do it directly because you see her who do it the person have a mask you say but you know say no she do her advice that your advice you know her advice and she have your advice here but the person call her name though. So that the man said that when they come here, me I talk to my lawyer and I try to get her locked up, but they said based upon the evidence, it's not substantial. So the man tell me no the word again. What do you mean by substantial? Bro, I never seen that take it so far. I have to be the next baby mother, you know. But anyway, we go work on it. We get some roots what here. And then the boil them up and stuff. You understand? And so we're gonna make it 10 times stronger. If I want girl baby when next one I come, well stronger. You know what I mean? So I work about going already. Sorry about that though. Just come out of the room some of the time and walk up and just get yourself. Just get some fresh air. Cause about 2 weeks when you live in a bed you nah go to the door. But call a friend them to come check you and when they come, when they want to come, cause one time I come link you today. Right? So when she link you, just talk to her now. You understand? You not talk to her, but talk to them because you know good for you have everything boiled up inside of you. Right? Give me a shot straight from. Yeah man, so you know say hard though, you know? You know say hard. I will probably put down and look out for the baby which are on good stage part where so you have to push him out. So I know say you feel the pain, but it don't down bad. Anyway, I have to go to work this morning, because a couple of weeks I don't go to work, I'm still with but I have to go to work because money I run down. You know what I mean? That's what Jamaica stay now, I'm just not over there and we have to just survive it. So to survive, I don't want you stress yourself out till you not eat or nothing. Alright? So when you come and go to work, I'm going to carry your favourite cheesecake. Cheesecake with banana bread. You cry baby. Don't cry man, things go better. Here? I will put back one baby in your vagina. And go strong. Alright? Look like your mother call. Hello? She kind of feels sad and down and now she don't want to talk. Me tell her to call her back. Your mother, let's see if I call her right now. My phone got work.
My people want to have a in a shop. It makes sense to go to that shop and do. Come here and understand this. Sir! Look, girl. What your problem? Who you call it?
And you make up to.
What your problem, girl?
You need to finish your bill for that.
I mean, I left him alone. What your problem?
Why you let me alone?
Me not left him alone.
Listen. You're trying to mash up my relationship. I'm the one that happened.
Girl, if a relationship were there, I could mash it up. The relationship never did it. Look at me, I've given us broke down your body so. Your man want activity in the day, then you don't have that, and you have that. My people feel like it's also because
No, I'm a child without a father. You understand?
and I'm a class.
Yeah.
Me?
Yes.
And I'm my father, my body too good. A good body around the world now, and my fault.
Listen. No,
The man not mind the pitney.
Yeah.
The man not mind the pitney, what else you want?
He now come here.
He don't need to come in here.
I wonder why.
My girl, I could never hear it from what you said there.
You me come down.
I tell this, he come like say come for be me.
Yeah.
But I holy power no, run up. I'm a boss no down. So I tell this, don't try run up on me. But be the car, they come here big for a chance this far. Everything big for a big for. I will never catch
Enjoy
me.
your time.
I will never catch me.
Enjoy what is
that me I do. I enjoy your baby father. Come on, baby father girl. Oh, stop here, man. Sir! No black people here. Come why are you shopping now? Because I start crosses in money now. My girl, when you in this incident what happened, I can't link in about me, you know say. The stars and all that to call me, I'm gonna put the chance to call check by and something, you hear? So I'm going to the baby now. How you and the baby? What do you? No cry, what happened to you? How you and the baby? Still the baby, right? Oh my gosh, girl, me I feel your pain. Although I'm not no pitney, but me I feel your pain. Only God know what you go through, girl. Who could I do them wickedness here? I say, girl, I come to you. I'm going to check them, come to you for advice. Cause right now I'm matic. Me take one of my bad friends. You know why? Me not shop, you know. I want girl to come to home for left her man alone and come and she want to beat me. But see, she bigger than me, nobody. Me I have fist fight with nobody and straight headshot. Ah, me take this thing for. Ah, I prison me up here to go. God, me have a little car right.
What you mean by your plan for go to prison?
My girl. The girl come like she want to bully me. Now me there, me say shot me go, you know. And the girl come let me baby fall like girl open up my face. So me I say Jesus Christ, I want you. Yes. So come like say I want you.
You're young and you're nice. You can't look to come to prison. What they prison? And then she there free or in a hospital or something. She not must dead. Tell me now, you don't need to do this to go to prison. Me keep it fair because you're going to get yourself in a problem.
Alright, now go listen to you what you say because that's truth. Because I'm too mad for going to prison. But I tell you the truth, man. The girl, me that feel, me not nobody do me nothing in life. I'm going to tell you, you know. Once me know how to do it, me I go for them. By the hook or by the crook. Revenge is the best thing in life. No sweeter than revenge, yeah?
No man, sometimes you have to left things for
No,
God.
you don't do that. No, sometimes God, and every time God will left it to him, sometimes God will take action. And the action me that plan to take. So let's put it on. Put it a little bit back now. Me got me out, look come on.
I don't do nothing stupid in
You
there.
know I don't know what's stupid, man.
Hello?
Well, go on, babe.
I forgot to do it now.
Do what? What you have to do what?
Take up everything for myself, cause I not do it.
What do you mean by that? Do you not understand what you mean after do it?
I'm gonna kill a girl in the fire. Because I guess what, I'm tired of her now. I'm telling you, I'm tired. 1 year and odd now, she a torment my life. I'm tired of her.
Yeah, cool, no man, I understand what you say. You calm down, I soon fall.
Listen, be a eye for an eye right now, you know. Me raise her pitney and everything, but I right over there, me I go right now. And nobody can stop me.
Be calm down, man.
Hey girl, get up! No! You terrorize me all long. Make me lose all my baby.
I want one.
Kill her.
What's that? I'm not tell you what to do. You couldn't calm down. Come. Hear me. Shh. Hear me. One over here. Beard off yourself. Wash off yourself. Wash off your hands. That's all. Come sit down and get back up. Some person wash off your hands. One home. What is it to do? You never see her, you never come here. More fix things. One. Tell you, no man. Yo, mad one. Hear me say now. You know something not call you unless it's something important.
God, please. God, forgive me, please. God, please. I'm begging for forgiveness, Jesus, please. No, I'll kill her, God. God, oh my God, forgive me, Jesus, please. Oh God.
Alright, boss. Tomorrow.
Oh God.
Hello. Shh. Hello. Stop nice. Come on inside. Hello. Me hear what you say about it now. So keep on what you say. You calm down. You want to go prison? You continue about the road. Me about here where you about the road. Marie, not gonna do her there. She broke her toe. Somebody come to you where you about the road. Ask somebody call me. Shut the door. She broke her toe. I say go mama, I just go to about got enough time small my toe about toe.
Can't take this no more.
You look about two and no man, if two about can no more. I'm throw some ice water pan and cool it down. Alright, tomorrow! Tomorrow! Nothing. You know, do nothing. You know, come nowhere. Nothing at all. You keep them out. Not even your best friend, your sister, your mama, your nobody at all. Not even the pastor in a confession. You bring this to your grave, what me say. When you want to cry, you go to the beach and dive on the beach bottom and ball on the beach bottom, but your fish then know your pain, but not do it up. You have up on land. Straight in a jailhouse, your land. So you may say, shh, for your mouth. Everything good? Over the clean down and bleach down, everything, bed sheet change, everything. That's when nigga do something, everything clear. So you hear though? Nothing happen. I'll pick up my daughter and your grandmother and she gonna come in one day. Alright? But say the more write a letter, say the mother can't something there. Can't no longer their own so. So she run off. She run off there, she da America run up and down over England. So much she dey run off go. On the banana boat she go because she have no passport or nothing at all. Right? She go on somewhere. Alright, that is it. Love it all. The story is she run away, left her picnic. Where's the story they go?
She run left her picnic.
Marika run left her picnic.
Marika run left her picnic.
So when nobody asks you to say same story, you go spread wrong. Alright? I tell the daughter, I see me say, Mama just run away when I go to school because she can't take responsibility no more. She want to go wild and she find man and run off. What me say?
She finds.
That's the end of the baby mama drama. The end of the baby mama drama. The youth where she kill could have come be next prime minister and get out of the system that we in. Alright, so you know where you go, right? Alright, wait, you run too fast, man, drop. Wait there, I have to talk to you. Alright? Go talk to you. Right, go. You know what this say, your mother gonna come in. Go on further. Yeah, cough though. Come in. You know what you say, your mother not come in, right? From a day. Yeah. Never do want to tell her, but we have to tell her now, your mother run away. You not see her again. She run away. You got hear people talk about her, but she run away. So she not love you no more. You understand?
Yeah.
So that means say,
Daddy, you hear me, Mom?
Give me a time, man. Don't worry about that. Listen to me. Stop looking at my mouth and listen to me. I say to you. She find one man and she move on with the man. Gone. Now come back again. So, me don't know if you have that conversation again. If you put them ask you at school, if you have a father, you have a stepmother. Your stepmother loves you so much. But Marika, she run off. Find man. Run off. So, you know, love you, enough to stay. Alright? Alright, so you're a girl where hungry and now you love it. What you want for this evening?
Burger, Popeyes.
Alright, go beard and change your clothes and get the burger for you. Alright?
I'm going to see mine.
Yeah, that's do what you do. Your stepmother soon forward, yeah? Do not left out of the house. Me the right listen. Me not go. When I done be the car, come here, you go down the town, alright? Just be the wash of yourself and forward. You're going rough. Alright. You know what? I put go. I don't know how you have so much glitter get up on you know.
Daddy, I went one birthday party today and I roll up myself with the glitter.
After your birthday?
Nah.
No put no glitter for yourself then. When after your birthday, put glitter for yourself.
Okay.
Alright? Is it for your... Listen me now. Remember say your mommy gone a foreign, you know. And she not come back for now. She gonna sleep a foreign. She's not coming back for now. Till you...
But Daddy. Oh, Mommy.
But mommy says she no want you. So cut mommy out of your mind. Text new mommy. Say step mommy here. Step mommy.
Come here.
No, she gonna take care of your man. Listen here, say now. Listen, this is your new home, right?
No, I'm going to sister.
I'm gonna send you up on different places. Go stay, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna send you go to your grandmother. You stay with your grandmother.
No, but I want to go with Mama.
Listen, you got to stay where I send you. Either you go stay, yes, so I stay at grandma.
We're going to see. Let's go.
Alright. Check out the bag. Anyway, me have to go back on the road, me have something I iron out. Right? No worry about nothing, everything good. You see I sweat, but no sweat and no fret. So I say, look here. Keep your mouth. Nothing never happen. No matter what happen, what me say?
Nothing never happened.
Alright, love you here? Huh? One hole on you, and when you get older, you will have you learn.
We are 7.
We are 7. Alright, yay, count 7, count to 7. Take a time count. 1, no count too fast. 1, 3, 5, 7.
So you done school today?
So where you going on the back?
Yeah, but I'm going to yeah, look where you done school
Wait, come and
today.
show me. Where? Rambo. The gun in there, right? Teacher, my book.
So you booked your up, so.
I told you, come on, when you drop off. I'm going to tell Mom to go. Mama never went there.
Oh, how you go?
I go on the road. I go on the road. From when me now get up and, you know, see me I get up this morning and comb me hair and
Okay, I can wash your face yet though.
wash my face already. Can stay, sir.
Also, like, oh, you see the gel of some white so rub off your back when you do.
Me I go on the road go see if me can
One thing
find
is, you say,
one.
since you lose the baby, look at, you get white, you take your horse color. Where is you go? You go up on the road?
Yes, me go see if me can find one work or something to do cause
To occupy your mind. And we just go to tell you the same thing, you know. Great minds think alike. Because that's our best thing. Because when I go out there, you get different experience and you just take your mind off everything. Sorry about everything we're going, but it's a good thing with the inner now. With the right at the inner, we not no more drama.
no more drama.
No more drama.
Me been a hear this. Me been a hear this and me I pray to God say nothing else not come up. Like nothing, no other drama, no baby mother. I can't even know. And then Pinky promise me, please. Say you not have no
Listen,
baby mother out
Me
there.
not have no more baby mother out there that I know of. Me don't know of no more baby mother out there. For real. The sun shine upon you. You look good, nice sunlight though. You know, so we have to go away one night time again. This time we go somewhere far. We chill out. Maybe go one place by one river there and spend one weekend there. We just wash off all our grasses. But me have some work to do at the garage and plus me go pick up my daughter today. So all the things go on. So try to get one good work still. Look at educated and smart. You know what I mean? I true me tell you say me want you stay a yard because I'm afraid them boy they take you away a road. So I'm telling you no sweet word, I'm not tell you say I love you and man and take you away because some lose most of my woman them, you know. Me not tell them things them and I'm dirty nigga out a road shit them and then gone. Said America. I see him thing so me and him break up, you know. Get her pregnant, she have the baby. Out her road man a lyrics her she a take shot. She take shot till she take back shot. I'm in here. And from here I'm to investigate and find out, we put her out. You understand me and her separate. So every time she come back she knows that something what she do. and see the know make you lead up to this year. But anyway, I'm so glad it done. I don't like what it done though, but I couldn't see it coming. I couldn't
Just
see it
hope
coming.
nobody not find out what happened though.
Nothing happened. She run away. Just put that in your mind. Tell yourself that till it become a reality. She run away. Alright? Let me tell my daughter till she get big, she same story. She mother run away, find man. Because she's that type of girl. She will run away when she find man for real. Cause that she do. Find man up and down till then I done. So I same thing. So alright then, I'll get ready to go at work. I have 1 and 2 cars to fit up and thing. You understand? So keep me posted. Call me throughout the day. Let me know that you're okay. You take money out of the jar, right? Alright, take money when you leave and thing, alright? Now look about something for you boy go. Eat something for you go on the road, you know. I don't want you to go out there to put yourself and drop down. Alright? We have made it to one more end of one more year, you know, they fully to the end, but we're near to the end. You know what I mean? Today is a get together with me and Richard Broad them and some of the producers them, you know what I mean? Well, I want vibes, you know what I mean? So we have to reflect upon the journey. It has been a rough journey, you know. It has been nothing easy, but we still lay our fight still. Because there's a goal that we're looking for, you know. It's not everybody looking for the same thing. But I know what I'm looking for. Richard Brown, I look for the same thing. You know what I mean? I don't know about everybody else. Because when we started to develop movie business. You know what I mean? If you watch my channel, you can see that the editing never up to par for a long while. Even now and then you see we have a look at hips and ups and ding and ding. Yeah, but it's a warrior fight. That's why it's not perfect. You know what I mean? It's no budget. And building a brand like this now, it'll come for nothing. So we do rush so many times to get some project done so you the fans can get to watch and then we end up have mistake in it. If we take the time and this and that. But we not make no excuses. We just make you know, say, work, we try to do the best we can to get it forward. You know what I mean? So, as you go along, you got people in and out of the business by many different reasons. While, you know what I mean? But you know, see some people return, it have different reasons. You know what I mean? So, this movie now, it will be the end of we working with Marika. Because of some reason, but when we can't disclose it, you know what I mean? So this is the end. That's why we are in it now. You know what I mean? Then we move on to upgrade the movie. So we go continue it. So we are in out Marika part out right now. Then we are carrying one new set of Babymother. The drama just continue again. But you have to follow a storyline. A whole lot of things go on. Look out for it. You know what I mean? Candy and Pinky. Pinky go be the next daughter. And then Candy go be the next Babymother. That be my first Babymother. I'm not going to say the worst Babymother. I'm not curse Babymother. But anyway, look out for it. I'm not going to talk about that movie there. A whole lot of things go on. Look out for part 6 going up to 10. You know what I mean? So anyway, give thanks to the support from that time till this time. You know what I mean? About the knives, we have fixed that permanently shortly. Papa in there. Papa then couldn't even give me something done for check out the knives from, but we're gonna move to a different location shortly where it's not so close to the road. Let me show you something. Now come back and look. Straight with the right on the roadside. So every vehicle pass, you hear this. And you hear that. You understand? So, I know really our inch, I know we want the knives, you know what I mean? The knives just did it. Just like I know we want the separation of Jamaica. It just did it. See that? Put that. But remember when we went there, we never have a knives. When we went there, JAMMIWOOD, first city, we never have a knives here. But now with the right side of the roadside come with the knives. You know what I mean? So, we're gonna move, but we're not gonna move too far. There's somebody that build a restaurant, but now we're gonna turn it into one bar. Alright, we're gonna make a bar. So anyway, see the number on the screen here. Make a link. Serious people, me I try to find one serious female to be a lead in the company. Right? Serious female who really want to become #1 actress in Jamaica, one of the #1. Right? That's what I'm looking for. Because the new year will come, more professionalism. You know what I mean? We're gonna get one new location to join with this one on the other side of the road. So you look at it over there, so we do that so, but more about a main place where we shoot at one different location. For the new year coming, 2025. We hope we make it out alive. You know what I mean? So we are fine. And we're there right at the roadside I go and do it. So anyway, enjoy life this season. This season, enjoy it, please. You know what I mean? Be safe. You know what I mean? And if you're out there and you want to see the movie thing push forward, you can tell other people about the movement and differently more reach 100K for the area. Because you know, somebody make me a bet, right? I don't know, last half, no who go hear it, you know. Somebody make me a bet. Say me get 100K this another month yeah, before the new year chip in. One I lucky subscriber them go get one of this, you know, it's the 1 minute shopping spree. You drive in at the supermarket and you take up as much as you can take up and somebody pay for it, somebody go sponsor that. You know what I mean? So answer that. So if me can get on, me have to get 100K though. If you get by in a this area, that go on. Alright? So Mother wants to get there, and Mother wants somebody to push a challenge and I get something for Christmas. Alright? Let's go.
You going to sports today?
No. I went my friend birthday, so I'm texting my
Daddy!
Oh, so I'm going to do today here. Take them in my
What little sister?
Yeah?
You alright?
Yeah.
You know the manners.
Manners way.
Yeah,
Remember
come-
say me no like you, no? Remember say me no like you. I left more I left daddy place so me can get to go in. Come here. Alright?
You just come in, you know no manners, you just come in. Daddy, I see me and people can't say good evening.
Where you glitter so? Where you full of glitter so?
Oh, my friend birthday party. So me text my later and she can get.
So where daddy gone?
Daddy gone for the work.
So you come here?
Yes.
Right, the girl let you know. Make more telephone. For rent. No man. Yes, so me want me mother live you know. Here together. Be a hell in your life, girl.
Hello. Where did I say no?
So this is how I'm going to do. Teach her my mom about.
What time you finish your work? So you're not right to recite something from the mind.
I never know it.
Right, later me help you with this. Come my brain I don't know there so right now. Just stay here so me go use the bathroom.
Yeah man, this is a bounty killer go did there, Craft go did there, and whole heap of more artists, DJ Mac, Steel Chest, whole heap of people. Yeah right? Yeah man, so January 24, you know what I mean? You can't miss it, that Mandeville man, you know what I mean? Mandeville Primary and Junior High School, can't lose. Alright, whole heap of sound system go did there, same way. Check out the poster, man. Admission and everything there. Yeah, man, represent, man. Yeah, man, I'm going to carry two artists from West Side. Go shut it down because they have talent. And for them to search the talent, you have to go find talent. That is it enough. Respect. Burn it down to the ground.